Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can clear temporary tabs or today tabs in the Arc browser. These tabs are located over here, where we have this line with the clear text over here. Everything below is just temporary and it will be archived by the Arc browser after some time. If we want to do that by ourselves, then we have an option. We can press the combination of three keys, Ctrl, Shift and K. By doing so, we will clear all tabs except the one that is opened. We can press Ctrl and Z in order to revert that. Another thing that we can do is use the clear button over here. If we click on it, we will do exactly the same thing. And the third option is the following. We can go to the top left corner, click on this arc icon, go to tabs, and then over here we have clear today tabs. And then if you click on it, then once again we will archive everything except the one that is opened. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.